All right, good morning, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be reviewing Alchemist AI, the no code platform to make any apps or features without having to code. Now, for me, that is amazing because I don't know how to code. So, if you're a person that's interested in AI but don't know how to code, please watch this because this is probably the easiest thing I've ever seen. ChatGPT and Gronk, neither of these apps can do what Alchemist AI can do. So I'll show you an easy way that we're going to get there. I'm going to go to the search button and I'm going to search in Alchemist, which I already have it right here in my searches. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit in here to get the app. And we're going to go to the Alchemist right here. Boom. Now, here we are at Alchemist app. If you see on the screen, there's documents you can read on about the Alchemist AI app. I have one token that I've already made up there for a token reader. You have the X, it'll take you to their profile, and you have Deck Screener, which I'll show you a little bit later. With Deck Screen, you're able to view the token. That's be a smart place to get the contract address so you can buy the token. I'm going to show you the free part of Laboratory. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go down to this right here. It's called Laboratory. Go ahead and turn the sound off. With Laboratory, this is where you're going to begin to make your app. It says up here, it says, hello, welcome to the Alchemist AI. Input any simple description to begin. So today, I'm going to make a Blackjack app. I like to play cards. I hate having apps that have commercials or ads trying to sell you stuff. What's cool about this is you can make something and there's no ads. So I'm going to start out slow and I'm going to say, here, let's go. Make me a Blackjack app so I can play cards. Now, I'm making it super simple so I can go back in and edit it. So we'll go down here. Now we can add custom features, and if you don't know what custom features you want to add, hit auto and it will figure it out for you. Like I said, this is super easy to use. We're just in normal mode. So when I figure out what I want, I'm going to hit forge. Now right here you can see that it's starting to load. It'll take a couple minutes depending on how big the app or the feature you're trying to make. I really like this because, like I said, I'm a very novice person when it comes to AI. I don't know how to code. So that I'm able to have an app that I can pretty much make anything I need, whether it's playing blackjack or making a calculator, a weather app. This Christmas I did for my daughter, I did a Santa tracker that was able to input our address and it told us what time Santa was going to be there, and it showed the map and Santa, traveling on the map. So, I mean, there's some cool things that you can do on here. And if you're especially a novice person, I would definitely check this out because there's no other platform of AI that can do this without coding. You don't have to worry about the coding. It does it all for you. I think it's a really neat item. And also about the token, while I'm waiting for this to load, the token is going to be used so when you want to use the paid version, which will be a little bit better than the free version, you're going to have to use Alchemist AI token. Right now, it's been going up. I think it's around a 200 million market cap, which is amazing. Okay, so it looks like it's done loading. So I'm going to pull it up. Basic app. Has the cards, hit, stand. Cool. So what the next thing I want to do is say I want to add something. Like for instance, there's no chips on here. So let's go back in. I'm going to hit the question mark and that's going to take me to my wizard. And the cyber wizard will help you add in things that you want to add in. For instance, will you add in the poker chips for blackjack. For instance, I want $10, $25, $50, and $100 chips that I can choose from. Also, make sure to leave one card face down for the dealer and one card faced up. And for the player, they can have both cards up. I hit send. It starts to code that I don't have to do, which is really nice. I almost thought this was so good it couldn't be real, but it is real. And while that's loading, we can take a look. It looks like Alchemist AI has 27,000 followers, and it hasn't even been a month. So this is going to take a second. It usually takes about a minute, 2 minutes at tops to update. And what's cool too is the devs that are working on this app, they're constantly pushing updates every couple days. Like, they are nonstop working. So it's already done now. I'll hit the X button to get back out. So it's going to show up here. Now I can bet chips. So now I have the chips available. So I can bet 25, let's go 50 bucks, deal the cards. So if I look back up here, shows my cards and the dealer's cards. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and hit. Ooh, I got an 18 versus a 2. I'm going to stand. I won. Dealer bust. So when you want to go back in, you go back in, you talk to your wizard, and you can tell them what you want to add or what you want to take out. Really simple. I would definitely check this out, and you can download it to your desktop. You can download it to your iPad. You can download it to your phone. It's really cool. It's super easy to use. Like I said, it's something that I'm able to mess around with being a novice, not knowing how to code. And I have good ideas. I just don't know how to do the coding. But here, I don't need to do the coding. Alchemist AI takes care of that for me, which is really cool. Also, you can look at other apps in here. For instance, you go to Marketplace. It's going to tell me to connect my wallet. That way I can purchase some apps if I want to. You have a live chat. You have a Wizard Academy. Let's see what else is cool in here. You can have something that makes your tweets better. You can make code generated. Bunch of things go through here. You can do audio chat, name maker. You can do stuff to make like tokens, all kinds of stuff. Stuff that if you think it, you can make it. Like I said, you can make a calculator. You can make a weather app. You can make a travel app. You can make what I do right now, because Solana meme coins are really like everything. You can make a Solana meme coin checker, and you can check the coin and make it where you can check to see if it's a volatile coin, if there's multiple wallets. And all you do is you got to talk to it. Pretty simple. So let me get out of this real quick. Next thing and last thing is, if you want to buy the coin, which I can't tell you to buy or not buy. I'm buying. I think it's a long-term hold. I think it goes up to $1 billion market cap or more. But you'll hit deck screen. It's going to take you away from the page. It's going to tell you everything about the coin. The coin's at 200 or 182 million market cap, which is amazing. 21 cents. It was just at like 6 cents like 4 days ago. So we'll go down here. Now you're looking for a contract so you can buy it. You're going to hit right here. Boom. Copy address. Now after you copy that address, we'll get out of here. We're going to go to, let's see, Phantom Wallet. Now we're on the Phantom page. I pulled up a random wallet that I have, and let's just say we want to get that coin now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to input that number now, and it finds Alchemist AI, so you know you're purchasing the right token. Then you take your SOL and you transfer it. That easy, that simple. So, show you one time. You go into their app, You can do their app. They actually have a Telegram bot that you can work with, which is really cool. Something that you can play around with, get used to trying things. So I go back to the app. Now I have the app. If I want to, I can go back in laboratory and I can start making stuff. The next video I come out with later this week will be more over the paid mode, where we pay for things. With the paying part, you'll be actually to get a little bit more efficient on the app. While using the free app, it's great, but if you're really wanting to take your apps to the next level, you're going to want to do the paid mode. But this is something you can work with. Like I said, play with the laboratory, mess around, show your kids. This is something that you could teach your little kids how to do because there's no coding needed. But I hope this really helps out. If you haven't check out Alchemist AI. You can find them on X. These guys are working hard. Honestly, I'm very bullish on this. They don't have a Discord or a Telegram, which is great because there's no toxic people. It's just people making an app better. And if you're new into the crypto world, or if you're just new into AI and you're not sure what to do, check this out. Because like I said, ChatGPT doesn't offer this and Gronk doesn't offer this. My ChatGPT costs me $20 a month and it doesn't make this. So if I want to make an app, I have to use this, which is amazing because it's easy and simple. Gronk on X that Elon has doesn't do this either. So right now, Alchemist AI is ahead of the group. So definitely give it a check out. This is my first video. I hope this review really helps you guys out there. Like I said, I'm a novice in AI, still learning a bunch, but I'll say this is probably by far one of the most easy apps to use for AI. If you're a photo editor and you're tired of going to other links to try to size your photos, just make it in here and you can pick the sizes you want, the dimensions you want, and then you just input the picture. Super easy. So I hope this video helps you guys out. If you could give it a like, a share, I hope this really helps you guys out, and have a good day.